आमकां सगळ्यांक एक वायट संवय आसा. आमी कितेंय खालें की त्या खाणाची पोती आमी अस्ताव्यस्त उडयतात. हाका 10% अपवाद आसात. अशा निश्काळजी लोकांक शिकवण दिवपा नदरेन पर्यावरण मंत्रालयान कळंगुटे हांगा ही स्वच्छता कार्यावळ आयोजीत केल्या, अशें कळंगुटचे आमदार मायकल लोबो हांणी सांगले. आमी कळंगूट दर्यादेग नितळ दवरली ना जाल्यार हांगा येवपी भोंवडेकार कमी जातले, अशें ताणें फुडें सांगलें. आर्टेक्स गोवा खातीर कळंगुटच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Awareness drive by Goa State NGC Eco Club program and Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change, New Delhi. All of us have one bad habit. Most of them, maybe 10%, are different. So they eat chips and they want to throw it out. So now all of you students are brought over here for only one reason. And the reason is the teachers, your teachers who are over here, and we all of us who are sitting over here, Mr. Pankaj ji, who has come from Ministry of Environment and Forest, Dr. Joseph, who is our nodal officer for this program, our Pradeep, Professor Pradeep, the member secretary of Goa State Council for Science and Technology. All of us who are over here, the head of the Panchayat of Kalangut, Arpara Nagua, Kandulin, we are here to cultivate in you the good habits, especially as far as Swachhata is concerned. Narendra Ji Modi, our Prime Minister, went on the beach to send a message to the people of India. त्याने message दिले आमका की आम्ही जो तरी बीच क्लीन दवरी ना जाल्यार फॉरेन ट्युरिस्ट जो गोंया येता तो कमी जायत वयतलो म्हणून. The tourists who are coming from international will decline. And one of the reason, indirectly he said, is if you don't keep your beach clean. We are duty bound. Everybody is talking about keeping India clean, keeping Goa clean. So the responsibility lies with your generation. And the generation next has to take it ahead.
Our aim is to clean the whole country. Our aim is to clean the dirtiness, ugliness, and bad habits. So, Ministry of Environment Forest, with the help of state agencies, has organized this program. I hope that our program shall succeed and we will have a beautiful Swachh Tat, that is Nirmal Swachh Tat of Goa, so that we will be proud of our beautiful Goa.
A special program is organized in 10 different states across India, and we are lucky that Goa has been chosen as one of the states, and the main initiative is to sensitize people, and more particularly to sensitize students for cleanliness drive, not around their houses, not in their villages, but particularly along the beaches.